Speculation about a split between lovebirds Megan Fox and Beau Machine Gun Kelly has been rife in recent weeks, and eagle-eyed fans are now convinced that the pair are over for good after spotting a telltale sign. The Jennifer's Body actress, 35, previously insisted that she manifested the rapper into her life after admitting that she had been dreaming of her fiancé, 32, since she was 4 years old, adding she thinks that she made him. However, in recent weeks, Megan has kept a very low profile on social media, with Machine Gun Kelly nowhere to be seen. The brunette bombshell usually gushes about her love in over-the-top Instagram posts, but recently, Megan hasn't spoken about her romance with the rapper. Instead, the bombshell actress has been posting single girl content on her social media, according to her eagle-eyed fans. Taking to Twitter to discuss the drama, one fan recently tweeted, "Looks like Megan finally dropped MGK. They haven't posted about one another in what seems forever. Megan and MGK are no more my friends," another added. Someone else suggested, "As weird as they were, I love them together. They seems to fit perfectly together. Looks like they're over for good sadly." While a fourth quipped, "Yes. So you're all telling me Megan Fox is single again? Life made." Earlier this summer, Megan gushed over MGK, insisting that the music artist was made for him. Megan told Glamour UK, "Because he's literally my exact physical type that I've been manifesting since I was 4. I'm also 4 years older than him. So, I think I made him. My thoughts and intentions grew him into the person that he is. Who knows what he would have looked like or been like if it wasn't for me." Machine Gun Kelly, whose real name is Colson Baker, proposed to Megan on January 11 this year in Puerto Rico. He popped the question with a $340,000 diamond and emerald to honor their birthstones. The Mirror has reached out to Megan's representatives for comment.